upon the bitter cross. They took his body down and laid it in a tomb. His friends believed that everything was lost. But when the day became and darkness turned to light, for Mary heard her name and saw the living Christ risen to set the captives free, risen to ransom you and me, to bind up every broken heart, to conquer death and sin, risen to bring us home again. And in that barren place, the world forever changed. For hope was born when Jesus rose that day, and still his wounded hand revealed the love he had for every fallen soul he came to save. And he will come again, and one by one we'll rise to praise his holy name and see the living Christ risen to set the captives free.